back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. I hope everyone is doing well. Don't forget to like, comment down below, share and subscribe to my channel, and tell a friend to tell a friend about my channel. So today is Sunday and I'm about to prepare dinner. I'm about to start pressuring my peas. I'm going to cook. I think I'm going to do brown stew chicken today, rice and peas. So I'll take you guys along. So guys, this is not a cooking tutorial, but I'm just kind of showing you how I do my rice and peas. So I'm just gonna add my coconut milk. Sometimes I add the coconut milk before I pressure it. Sometimes I don't. So I'm just gonna add almost all of it to pressure it. I'm gonna add this pimento seed as well. So I have my pimento seed, some coconut milk and a little bit of salt. So that's all I'm gonna add in there. Oh, and garlic. All right, so I added my garlic. Three pegs of garlic. 1, 2, 3. Then I'm gonna stir it and then I'm gonna cover it. Sometimes I wait until it starts boiling before I cover it. Sometimes I don't. I'm gonna stir it. I love to smell the garlic and the pimento and the coconut milk. It smells so good. Guys, this is what my chicken is looking like. It's not a lot because it's just me and my husband and I'm not cooking for anyone else. Sometimes I give other persons dinner, but not today. So this is all that I'm cooking. And I don't want it to waste either. That's another thing, because we keep having to throw away food when it's not been eaten fast enough. So this is all I'm cooking today. So I won't add the browning because I said it's brown stew. I won't add the browning until I'm ready to cook it. I think that brown stew takes away some of the taste. That's just my opinion. I think I've heard other persons say it before. So yeah, I'm just going to let it marinate for a little bit and then I'll start cooking. So guys, this is what my rice and peas, this is what my peas is looking like. So I seasoned it, so I'm just waiting for it to start boiling so I can add my rice. Looks a little bit darker than how I wanted it, but it's fine. So guys, I haven't added any waters yet, but it's springing water nicely and it smells so good. So good. Hey guys, so it's a few days later and I came to do a few stuff in the town. I haven't had much to eat, so I'm having something at Juici Patties. So I bought soup, chicken soup, one piece chicken and fries, juice. Hi guys, so it's been a while since I vlogged anything, but I was showing you in the previous clip that I was at the grocery store. I didn't get to vlog much, so I'm just gonna show you guys what I got. Just a little grocery haul. It's not much, but yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys what I got from the grocery store. Alright guys, so I got 3 of these Gatorade. I got the orange flavor and also 2 lemon flavor. I love these lemon ones, especially when they're cool. I got 3 tropical redeem from my husband. All 3 are mango carrot. I also got a jug of or a bottle of Mott's apple juice. If you've watched my channel before, then you might figure that I love this. I like to have this, especially when it's cold. I like Malta, so about 3 Maltas, 1 Suppergen, 1 Surge milk, 3 of these spice buns, 3 coconut milk powder, and this is the Caribbean choice. I bought 3 more, but my friend took 1. I bought 2 chocolate butter kiss biscuits, 2 strawberry, 2 cookie and cream, and 2 vanilla flavor. I bought 4 of these cream filled cupcakes because my husband loves them and I eat them sometimes. So I bought 1 chocolate, 1, this one is orange, 1 strawberry, and 1 coconut flavor. I bought 1 Lasco sweet corn to go with this corned beef. I bought a pack of sugar. I have some already, so I just bought this little pack, 1 kg. I bought chicken foot because I'm going to make soup. I bought a 1 kg freshness. This is one that I use. So powder and also a shampoo, but they put it in this bag because these are soap and you don't want them to be mixed with the food. I also bought this sample bread. This is for $620. I remember when I was buying this for $500 last year. Now it's $620. Right, guys, so I also bought lettuce, scallion and thyme, sweet pepper. Also bought fish. I think these are fryer. It's I think $995 per pound and about 2 pounds, a little bit over 2 pounds. This is a little bit over 2 pounds and I got 6. They're not big like the snappers that I normally buy, but they'll do. So this is for dinner on Sunday. So I think that was it. Those were all the stuff. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I'm just going to quickly let you guys know what my bill was at the supermarket, so you guys can have an idea of what it's like grocery shopping in the country area of Jamaica. So my total for the supermarket was $7,309, Jamaican dollars of course, and my total at just the fish that I bought at I think it's called Fish Pot, well, seafoods, meat and more, that's what's on the receipt. It was red snapper fryer and that was 2 pounds, so 2.18 pounds, 2.18 pounds. That was for $2,169. So the only other stuff that I didn't purchase at the fish pot and at the supermarket was like the bread, some for bread, as I said, that's for 620 Jamaican dollars. The seasonings, like the sweet pepper, I purchased that at like from vendors, market vendors on the roadside. So that was sweet pepper, that was for $100. The lady said that she plants them herself, so that's why I got it for $100, and I got about 4 nice size sweet peppers, so that was a steal. I also bought lettuce, as I showed you, that was for $150. I think it was for $150. I bought scallion and thyme, that's for $100. So I think that was. I'm just going to make soup now. I'm going to make soup now for my husband and I. He loves soup, so I'm going to make soup for him, chicken foot soup. That's why I bought the chicken foot that I showed you in the previous clip. I might not show you when I'm preparing it because I'm just gonna just try to hurry and prepare that because it's getting late. It's maybe after 5, I'm not sure, but it's getting late. So I'm just going to quickly make dinner, and yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend about my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.